Have you ever looked at your computer and wondered, what's really inside this magic box? Today, we're opening it up and breaking down 30 different components in simple, beginner-friendly language. From the case, CPU, RAM, and storage to hidden parts like chipsets, cooling systems, and even thermal paste, we'll explore it all. By the end, you'll know exactly how each piece works together to make your computer run. The computer case or cabinet is the protective shell. It doesn't just hold parts, it manages airflow, organizes cables, and keeps everything safe. The PSU is the powerhouse. It converts electricity from your wall into safe, usable power for each part of the computer. The motherboard is like the central highway system, connecting CPU, RAM, GPU, storage, and all ports. The chipset is the traffic cop. It directs how data flows between the CPU, storage, and peripherals. Before Windows or macOS even starts, BIOS or UEFI boots up. It checks hardware and prepares your computer for the operating system. The CPU is the brain. It performs calculations, runs instructions, and tells every part what to do. Modern CPUs have multiple cores like multiple chefs cooking at once, making multitasking much faster. Cache is the CPU's private notebook, storing quick data so it doesn't always need to check RAM. RAM is short-term memory. It stores data your apps need right now but clears when you shut down. DDR3, DDR4, DDR5. Each new generation is faster, letting your PC handle more tasks smoothly. When RAM runs out, your PC uses part of storage as fake RAM. It's slower, but it works. HDDs are mechanical with spinning disks. They're slower but cheaper for large storage. SSDs have no moving parts. They're lightning fast, reliable, and the modern standard. Small, stick-like drives plug directly into the motherboard, super fast and efficient. USB drives and cloud storage give you portable and online options for saving data. Some CPUs have built-in graphics, good enough for browsing, streaming, and light gaming. A separate graphics card does the heavy lifting for gaming, 3D design, and video editing. Video RAM is special memory inside a GPU, used to load textures, frames, and visuals. HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA let you connect monitors. Each has different quality levels. Universal serial bus, used for keyboards, mice, printers, and basically everything. Your headphone jack and speaker ports, delivering sound in and out of the system. Ethernet ports and Wi-Fi cards keep you online and connected to the internet. For wireless keyboards, headphones, and even game controllers. Case fans pull in cool air and push out hot air, keeping parts at safe temperatures. Metal blocks that sit on top of CPUs or GPUs, pulling heat away from the chip. For high-performance PCs, liquid systems carry heat away like a car radiator. A tiny but crucial part, it fills microscopic gaps between CPU and heatsink for better cooling. While rare today, CD/DVD drives and extra cards like sound cards or TV tuners still exist. Expansion slots also allow upgrades like Wi-Fi or capture cards. And that's 30 different parts inside a computer, from the giant CPU to tiny thermal paste. Computers aren't magic, they're just teamwork between specialized components. Which part surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy computer explainers.